Hello, and welcome to a Cloudasta video on Gemini, how to use Gemini AI as part of Google Workspace. My name is Nick Marchese. This is part of our training series on Gemini, and we're hoping that you will learn something from our video today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. All right, so let's just dive right in. What is Gemini AI? So Gemini AI is a venture into the AI landscape. Recently, Gemini AI was kind of born out of this Gemini predecessor, which was Bard and Duet AI. So those two things have sort of like merged and find their way into this new one umbrella that we will be able to explore a little bit here today. But Gemini is the latest powerful AI model that Google is releasing to go ahead and power their AI offerings, both from a consumer level and from a Google Workspace level. So there are a couple different personal versions out there that are really supposed to be seen as competitors to the free ChatGPT version. There's just a Gemini free version. So if you just go on your personal consumer license account right now and go to gemini.google.com, you'll be able to go ahead and sign up, agree to a whole bunch of things, and then get started enrolling. There's also Gemini Advanced, which is kind of an upgrade, right? So that way you can go ahead and have some of those more features, a bit more better performance, and so on and so forth. And as well, there's this thing called Google One, which has existed before Gemini AI and all this stuff kind of happened. And Google One is more of an all-encompassing plan for your Google account that talks a lot about storage and that you get for your account. So if you're one of those folks who has a million things in Drive or in your Google Photos, you've probably already signed up for the basic of Google One just to make sure you get that 100 gigs for all of your photos. But they have a couple of different tiers here. This just shows a sampling of the tiers. There's even some more. There's a premium that brings up that 2 terabytes. But then if you bump your Google One subscription up to the AI premium, you not only do you get those 2 terabytes, but you also get that Gemini Advanced as well. So if you're on a consumer license or a personal license and you're looking to go ahead and get like the best of what there is to offer, and you're already on the Google One environment, you might want to think about this as well. But let's say you're on Google Workspace, right? You're part of the business and you're trying to figure out how to go ahead and use this in your environment. There are 2 versions available: Gemini Business, which is the quote lighter model, and Gemini Enterprise. And just a quick sampling of some of the AI-powered features that are offered in those Google Workspace versions. You've probably seen a lot of these before, right? So being able to interact with the Gemini chatbot just by going to gemini.google.com, to use that to validate responses, chat, generate things, edit existing documents, so on and so forth. And then the ways that it integrates into the environment, like Gmail helped me write and refine, with Google Docs, Google Slides to generate original images. Sheets has options for creating plans for projects and doing some other fun stuff. And then there's a bunch of options and features available for Google Meet to make your visuals look better, both for generating backgrounds as well as translating captions, things like that. The Google Workspace pricing for those Gemini Business is $20 a user per month, and the Enterprise, which gives you all the things of Gemini Business, as well as the advanced meetings, translated captions, and even some more robust features within the Gemini options as well. If you're on Google Workspace, if you're a business owner and looking to get started with this, just go ahead and hop over to your admin console, pull out your sidebar menu there, open up billing, and then there's a couple different ways you can get to it, but I have a screenshot here. Go to the Get More Services, and you'll see that Gemini Business or Enterprise options there under categories. All right, so that's a quick rundown of how to use Gemini AI, how to get started. And please stay tuned for other videos around this topic coming in the future. Thanks so much. If you have any questions about getting started, reach out to Cloud Asta and we can help you. Thanks a lot.